Hey everybody, how you all doing? Peter Carvell. Now today I want to show you a simple trick that you can use with your pull-ups to take the intensity of your workouts to a whole new level. And I've started using this a few weeks ago because my normal back workout, which is 4 sets of pull-ups, 3 sets of chin-ups, and then 3 sets of inverted rows, just wasn't doing it anymore for me. The next day after my workout, my back just wasn't hurting at all anymore. Then I started using this technique, and in fact the first workout, all I did was 4 sets to failure of this pull-up technique I'm going to show you today, and the following day my back was hurting like crazy. So it's very effective and you don't have to worry about adding more weight at this point. So let me quickly show you this technique and then you can go and try it out. So I call this the 3-stop pull-up, and basically you're going to have 3 stops of 2-second isometric holds at 3 specific positions: the top position, the middle position, and then the bottom. Let me show you how this works. So you jump up, all proper forming technique as always, then you go halfway up and you hold it there for 2 seconds. All the way up, 2 seconds, halfway down, 2 seconds, dead hang, 2 seconds. Back up, 2 seconds, all the way to the top, 2 seconds, halfway back down, and then back down. And that is basically your routine. So there you go guys, super effective. Go try it out. Because of that isometric holds, it makes your pull-ups a lot harder. And I don't even count reps. I basically just do 4 sets to failure of as many of these reps as I can, and that is my back workout all done. So guys, as always, if you like this video, click on that like button, leave your comments in the comments box below, subscribe if you're not a subscriber yet, and if you are a subscriber, don't forget to click on that bell icon button, otherwise you won't be notified any longer of any new videos we upload. Thank you so much for watching, and until the next time, keep it simple out there and have fun. Bye bye.